the Thumb Wrestling Federation. Has brought forth and is in need of a hero. And that hero's name is James Montgomery Flagg, the representation of America itself. His codename? He wants you! Well, I got news for you, TWF fans. These colors don't run. The Sinistros better run because James Montgomery Flagg, this guy was trained by his father, the Stash. Viewing his last TWF battles, he's taken on the toughest wrestlers in the TWF, starting with Big Bad Billy Gotetsky. His next fight was Muggsy Thumbscrew. And his final battle to break the Dexter's losing streak, Queen Nefa Creepy. Here's his star. He fights for every cause of every piece of America. And one day, he'll become the next Thumb Wrestling Federation champion like his father. Even America can triumph over Egypt. He even made his debut in the quarterfinals. And he even debuted in a special fight where he battled against Bucks Gazillion in a chance to save the Thumb Wrestling Federation. Anyhow, that is how you draw James Montgomery Flagg. Farewell and good night, Americans.